开始。Good afternoon. Today I'd like to take you on a journey into the most watched, most thrilling football stage on the planet, the English Premier League, widely known as the EPL. Whether you are a die-hard fan who stays up all night watching matches or completely new to sports, the fast-paced, high-intensity, and sheer commercial magic of the Premier League will cap captivate you. Over the next 5 minutes, we will explore exactly why the EPL has earned its title as the undisputed world #1 league, and right on the right corner is my favorite home team, is Manchester City. First, let's look at how the league operates. The Premier League consists of 20 top-tier clubs, with the season running from August to May. Each team plays 38 matches in a double round-robin format. There are no playoffs, which means every single regular season match is absolute, absolutely critical to lifting the trophy. But what makes the EPL truly dramatic is its promotion and relegation system. The bottom three teams are at the end of the season are ruthlessly relegated to the EFL Championship, while the top three from the Championship are promoted. For clubs, relegation means a financial collapse worth hundreds of millions of pounds. Therefore, the relegation battle at the end of the season is often just as fierce and brutal as the race for the championship. First, it features a blazing tempo with rapid transition. There is never a dull moment. Second, referees allow a high level of physical contact, making the game intensely fought. Third, and most importantly, its competitive balance. In the EPL, even the bottom drawing teams have the power to defeat the leaguers. This constant threat of an upset keeps fans on the edge of their seats until the final whistle. High entertainment value drives strategic financial success. In the last broadcast cycle, the Premier League shook a history media radio worth over 13 billion. With abundant resources and a grand stage, the EPL has naturally become the ultimate destination for global talents. From master tacticians like Pep Guardiola and Mike Arteta to recreational talents like Erling Haaland and Bukayo Saka. This is not just a football match, it is a never-ending Hollywood blockbuster played out on a pitch of green. Finally, to conclude, the Premier League is far more than just 22 players chasing a ball on grass. It is a global phenomenon that flawlessly blends passion, athletics, business, and culture. And that is actually why we love the beautiful game. That brings me to the end of my presentation. Thank you for listening.